you can sing. I'm going to take that saying a little further back. I'm going to step it back a little bit. If you are breathing, you are singing. If your heart is beating, you are dancing. It's like that. So we are all dancers and singers by right, by the natural function of our human bodies and minds. So this song is dedicated to breathing, and it's called Breathe Deeply, Let the Breath Be Your Song. Let's see if I'm up and running. I get to play this instrument, one of my favorite instruments. It's called Mbira, and it's from Southern Africa. It's a music instrument that's used for healing all through Southern Africa. You play it with your fingers and thumbs. And I better show it to you now, because if I don't, you just see this bowl. And people say, he was playing some kind of bowl. And the key arrangement actually represents the community. You see, all musical instruments represent the community. Because before we had musical instruments, we came together and we sang songs, and we made vocal sounds, and we stomped our feet on the ground, and we played rhythms on our bodies. And this is what came to be musical instruments. So musical instruments are us as a community. That's what they are.